is whether I can tell if my clients are innocent or guilty. And my answer is always the same. I don't care.
살인마조차 무죄로 만드는 S급 변호사 애널리스 키딩.
Not guilty.
I want to be her.
그녀에게 인정을 받기 위해 초엘리트 학생들의 무한 경쟁이 시작되는데
Are you colorblind?
Yes. You should really pay attention. You might learn something.
그녀에게 인정받기 위해서라면
How'd you get this?
It wasn't exactly legal, is the point. And we just have to get creative.
수단과 방법을 가리지 않는 학생들.
You've got something. I think so.
Every year I choose 4 students to come work for me. The top student gets this.
하지만 얼마 후 이들은 성공한 변호사가 아니라 트로피로 사람을 쳐 죽인 것도 모자라
It's the only way to destroy the DNA.
Either we all agree, or we stop right now.
Just do it.
시체까지 불태우며 범죄자가 되고 마는데 픽추픽 범죄의 재구성입니다. 살인이 발생하기 3개월 전 바늘구멍 통과하는 것만큼은 어렵다는 미드턴 로스쿨에 합격한 웨스 기빈스.
Good morning. I'm Professor Annalise Keating, and this is Criminal Law 100, or as I prefer to call it,
그녀가 가르치는 건 바로
How to Get Away with Murder.
죄를 없애는 방법이었습니다.
Now to our first case study, the aspirin assassin. Tell us the facts.
실제 재판 중인 사건을 이용해 수업을 하는 애널리스만의 독특한 강의.
Arthur Kaufman, the CEO of an advertising agency. Miss Sadowski was not only his assistant, though. She was also his mistress.
사장을 살해하려 했던 용의자는 피살자 내연녀였고
Happened after Mr. Kaufman's wife of 27 years, Agnes, found out about the affair. You.
He ended the relationship and transferred her to the accounting department. That's when she allegedly switched one of his blood pressure pills for an aspirin, which she knew he was allergic to.
아내에게 불륜이 드러난 뒤 내연녀를 전출 보내려 했지만 이에 앙심을 품은 내연녀는 아스피린을 이용해 사장을 살해하려 했죠.
Mr. Kaufman went into anaphylactic shock. His throat swelled and his brain was deprived of oxygen for 7 minutes before his first assistant was able to resuscitate him, Michaela Pratt.
수업 전 이미 사건의 분석이 끝난 학생들.
What was the mens rea?
그런데
Wesley Gibbons.
The mens rea?
어째서인지 웨스는 숙제를 해오지 않았는데
Day 1 and you're unprepared?
No. Well, yes, but I didn't know there was anything to prepare.
I emailed the assignment to the entire class 2 days ago.
Oh, I didn't get that.
만약 그 말이 거짓말이라면
As a defense attorney, I spend most of my time around professional liars. So you have to work really hard to fool me.
당장 강의실에서 쫓겨날 수 있는 상황. 그러나
I only got accepted here 2 days ago
그는 숙제를 안 해온 것이 아닌
from the wait list. So that's probably why you didn't get my email address.
숙제를 할 수 없었던 것이었습니다. 하지만 애널리스에게 그가 턱걸이 학생이라는 건 중요하지 않았으니
Think, Mr. Gibbons. It's nothing more than common sense.
대답하지 못한다면 지키고 마는 상황.
To kill.
그런데
The mens rea, also referred to as intent, was to kill Mr. Kaufman.
That's right. Your name?
Laurel Castillo.
Never take a learning opportunity away from another student. No matter how smart you need everyone to think you are.
나대는 학생 덕분에 웨스는 테스트에서 벗어날 수 있었습니다. 하지만 진짜 테스트는 지금부터 시작이었으니
I loved him. I know that's hard to believe, but I loved him. Why in the hell would I want to hurt him?
The trial begins in 2 days. So tomorrow, each of you have 1 minute to present the best defense for this case. See if you can beat my current plan.
학생들에게 내려진 미션은 유력한 살해 용의자인 의뢰인을 무죄로 만들어내는 것.
Mr. Gibbons?
Yes?
You'll go last. An unenviable position seeing that no 2 students will be allowed to present the same idea.
그리고 이 테스트를 통과한 우수한 학생은
Every year I choose 4 students to come work for me. This assignment is used to help me decide who that is. The top student gets this.
정의를 상징하는 여신이자
Consider this your immunity idol.
You take that back right now.
앞으로 살해 도구가 될
The winner can turn this in at any point to get out of an exam. Now go. Find a defense that will free our client.
트로피를 받게 되었죠.
Which means we should argue. Means we should argue.
간신히 로스쿨에 합격했기에 더 절실한 성공. 하지만 층간 소음으로 도저히 집중을 할 수가 없었고
Hi, Wes. I just moved in next door.
What do you want?
Your music.
No.
What?
The last guy who lived in your apartment was a law student. I put up with his crazy loud rabbit sex and his nervous breakdown. You can deal with this.
개천에서 용나는 건 사실상 불가능했죠.
So, what better way to get revenge than to kill your cheating husband and pin it on his mistress? Thank you.
학생들이 준비한 변론이 마음에 들면 안 치고
Take a seat, Miss Pratt. You've moved on to the next round. Who's next?
그게 아니라면 자리를 떠나는 시험.
Ipso facto, this is a classic case of
Diminished capacity.
A class struggle.
An accident.
automatism.
Where's Gina?
순식간에 학생들은 희비가 교차되며 이제 남은 건
Mr. Gibbons?
Right.
덕거리 학생 웨스뿐.
We say it was self-defense. And we do that because, well, Gina was suffering from Stockholm syndrome.
학생들의 비웃음 소리가 증명하듯
The affair was just one example of how far Mr. Kaufman's brainwashing of Gina went. He made her fall in love with him. So in this way, her poisoning him was an act of self-defense.
자신이 들어도 설득되지 않는 변론.
And I'll just go stand over there.
No, sit.
그러나 애널리스트는 그렇게 생각하지 않았고
Congratulations to those who managed to keep your seat.
웨스와 함께 살해에 가담한 코너, 프렛, 로럴이 시험에 합격하며 이들의 악연이 시작되게 됩니다. 애널리스트는 말합니다. 재판의 판도를 바꿀 수 있는 방법은
Step 1, discredit the witnesses. Step 2, introduce a new suspect. Step 3, we bury the evidence.
목격자의 신빙성을 떨어뜨리고 새 용의자를 제시하며 증거를 없애는 것. 이 방법만이
That's how you get away with murder.
다가올 재판에서 승리할 수 있는 방법이자 앞으로 그들을 살릴 수 있는 방법이었습니다.
I was his first assistant for 21 years, so to see him on his office floor like that, it was so awful.
의뢰인에게 불리한 증언 중인 직장 동료.
You don't like Gina, do you? You would yell at her, calling her incompetent, stupid, podunk, trailer trash.
No, that's a...
하지만 이런 압박으론 그녀의 진술을 무너뜨릴 수가 없었고
Can I have a moment, Your Honor?
뒤늦게 도착한 프렛은
Well, now we know who's the first to flame out.
트로피를 차지하기 위해 먼저 치고 나가는데
Are you colorblind?
Yes. Nice. But I know what I saw that morning.
I see. So whether the pill that you saw on my client's desk was blue, like her anxiety medication she used to endure working under you, or yellow, like the aspirin used to poison Mr. Kaufman, is not something you could tell us.
I saw she was wearing glasses in one of her Facebook photos, which got me wondering about her eyesight. So I called every optometrist covered under her insurance, found hers, then pretended to be a claims provider. It causes color blindness.
1단계를 적극 활용한 프렛.
Step 1, discredit the witness.
I might as well hand you the trophy right now, Miss Pratt.
하지만
But I won't. Not until I see how the rest of you step up your game.
아직 재판은 끝나지 않았으니
Can I ask you something? Did you know that secretary that tried to kill her boss with an aspirin?
The legal department warned us not to talk about that.
Oh.
How'd you get this?
고난은 개발자를 꼬셔 내부 정보를 알아내었고
I thought all you wanted from me were those emails.
It wasn't exactly legal, is the point. And we just have to get creative.
2단계 새 용의자를 제시하라를 적극 활용합니다.
Mr. Bryant, as stated in the email, you were angry at Mr. Kaufman for taking part in a sexual relationship with an employee.
I was frustrated, yes.
So frustrated that perhaps you swapped his blood pressure pill for an aspirin in order to gain sole ownership of the company.
Objection!
Withdrawn. No further questions.
지시가 깜빡이는 트로피의 주인공. 이대로 나고자가 될 수 없었던 웨스는
Hello?
애널리스트에게 자문을 구하기 위해 늦은 밤 사무실을 찾았습니다.
Professor Keating?
그러나 하필
Professor? Oh my God.
The hell out!
보지 말아야 할 것을 보고 말았죠.
Hey.
I'm so sorry.
하지만 그녀에게 수치심보다 더 중요한 건
Speak.
대체 왜 왔는지였습니다.
I came across this case, Commonwealth v. McGinnis, which says we can move for a faster verdict if we think the prosecution's evidence is insufficient.
하지만 그의 생각은
If we ask for it and get denied, all the public will hear is there's enough evidence to convict.
But you discredited the first assistant today, and
You had
that's...
an idea, I'm telling you it's a bad one. Good night, Seth.
다른 학생들처럼 재판을 뒤흔들기에 부족했고 완전히 그녀의 눈밖에 나고 맙니다. 며칠 후
First year is the worst, no doubt.
교내 행사에 참석한 웨스 학생들.
Fine, you're on to me. I'm a psychology professor. But before you lose all respect for me,
어째서인지 쌤에게 잘 보이기 위해 노력 중인 학생들.
and you are?
Wes, he's in your wife's class too.
Oh, Sam, how's it going so far? Has she gone full terrorist on you yet or no?
그리고 웨스만 몰랐던 것이 있었으니
I'm sorry, who's your wife?
Professor Keating.
샘 키링은 바로 애널리스의 남편이었던 것.
Let me guess, your ears were burning.
Should they be?
Don't worry, I didn't spill any secrets.
그 말인즉 웨스는 교수의 불륜을 목격했던 것이었습니다.
It's the first year.
어떻게 해서든 그의 입을 막아야 했기에
I'm not gonna say anything. Honestly, the fact that I even saw that was...
Stop. I need to apologize.
그녀는 누구에게도 해본 적이 없는
My husband and I have been talking about having a baby for a long time now.
속마음을 털어놓았습니다.
And I hate making excuses, but it's put a lot of pressure on us and our marriage.
하지만 이건 모두
Thank you for keeping this between us.
Of course. I'll just go.
그의 입을 막기 위해 계산된 심리적인 압박 방식이었죠. 그리고 다음날 시작된 재판.
Footage that I will now play for everyone.
그러나 시작부터 검사 측은
There. The night before the murder attempt, Miss Sadowski
But what does it say on that label, Detective Gill?
Saloxacor. It's a brand of aspirin.
의뢰인의 혐의를 입증할 결정적 증거를 갖고 오고 마는데
You had one job. To let us know what bodies we needed to bury. Text calls, anything we needed to destroy, and you didn't. So guess what? Guess what? You go to jail. And I'm the shoddy lawyer who put you there.
I had a headache.
Stop lying.
전부터 그녀가 범인인 줄 알고 있었지만
Get out. I can't think with you here.
그녀에게 중요한 건 진실이 아닌 재판에서 이기는 것뿐.
But don't worry, we can fix this.
No, I'll fix it. You stay here. Collect a paycheck.
그리고 그녀는 이 재판에서 이기기 위해
I'd like to call our first witness to the stand. Detective Nate Leahy.
자신의 명성을 지키기 위해
Professor.
Get the hell out. What the hell is this?
내연남인 네이트를 이용하려 합니다.
Where were you 2 nights ago, Detective?
What?
2 nights ago. When Detective Gill acquired the video that supposedly incriminates my client. Weren't you supposed to be working at the precinct as his direct supervisor?
그는 그 시각
I was.
And were you there?
그녀와 바람을 피고 있었고
Please answer the question, Detective.
No, I was not.
Where were you then? Home, perhaps? Taking care of your wife? I hear she's recently been diagnosed with cancer.
그녀는 검사 측의 증거를 무용지물로 만들기 위해
I was at a friend's.
네이트를 공격하기 시작합니다.
Detective, in your 12 years working for the city of Philadelphia, have you ever known them to alter video footage to help the prosecution get a conviction?
Objection.
Digitally altering aspirin labels, for example?
Your Honor.
I'm simply asking Detective Leahy about his personal experience within his department.
This is the last question I'll allow.
전부터 검사 측이 제시한 비디오가
Are you personally aware of any instances of doctored surveillance footage within your department?
조작되었다고 주장하는 애널리스트. 그리고 네이트는 선택해야 했습니다. 커리어일지 아니면 자신의 삶 전체일지. 그리고 그 결과는
Yes. I am.
자기 손으로 경찰의 신뢰도를 무너뜨리는 선택을 하였죠.
The good people of Philadelphia saw justice prevail today. Miss Sadowski was a victim here, scapegoated by a desperate, overworked DA's office.
그렇게 애널리스트는 재판에 승리하며
I want to be her.
그녀와 함께 일할 4명의 승자는 바로
Now it's time to find out who will be joining us in our firm. First, the standout in the class. An And the one you should all make it your mission to destroy? Come get your prize, Mr. Walsh.
새로운 증인을 제시한 코너.
The other ones joining us will be Kayla Pratt,
증인을 무력화시킨 프렛.
Laurel Castillo,
조수인 프랭크가 전적으로 추천한 로럴. 그리고
Asher Millstone.
금수저 애셔까지 합격하며 그녀와 함께 일할 인턴이 모두 결정되고 맙니다. 하지만
And because our workload has grown, I decided to hire one more of you. And that one will be
추가로 합격한 사람은 바로
Les Gibbons.
덕거리에 아무런 활약도 하지 못한 웨스 기빈스였습니다. 자신이 합격한 건 실력이 아닌
I don't want the job. Not if you pick me because of that.
애널리스의 비밀을 알고 있기 때문이라 생각한 웨스.
Is that why I picked you? Because I thought I picked you because your self-defense argument showed you think well on your feet. But now that you expose what you really think of yourself and that you really don't believe you deserve this job.
That's not what I said.
That's exactly what you said right before you accused me of illegal acts to win this case. We won because I did my job.
정당하게 얻은 기회가 아니었기에 도덕심이 강한 웨스는 거부감이 들었지만
You can spend it in a corporate office drafting contracts and hitting on chubby paralegals before finally putting a gun in your mouth.
내연남에게 그랬던 것처럼
Or you can join my firm and become someone you actually like.
그녀는 답이 정해진 선택지를 주는데
So decide. Do you want the job or not?
성공하고 싶었던 웨스는 그녀의 손을 잡고 맙니다. 그리고 그날 밤
Someone call about low water pressure.
I think the water thingy's upstairs.
수도 문제를 해결하기 위해 여자 기숙사에 찾아온 수리기사. 그러나 물에 문제가 있었던 건 물탱크 안에 사람이 있었기 때문이었죠.
Police are confirming a woman's body was found inside the Kappa Kappa Theta house on Middleton's campus.
실종되었던 여자가 발견되자 웨스의 옆집에 사는 레베카와 남자친구는 절망에 빠졌고 같은 시간 샘 역시
What happened?
My student. They found her in one of those water tanks.
충격에 빠지고 맙니다. 하지만
I bet you the boyfriend did it.
스탄 사건에 따라왔으며 남편에 대해서 잘 알고 있었던 그녀는
I guess we'll see.
남편이 그녀와 관련이 있음을 단번에 눈치채는데
Okay, last chance.
그리고 3개월 뒤
Either we all agree or we stop right now.
Just do it.
Before the bonfire ends.
학생들이 죽인 사람은 바로 애널리스의 남편인 샘이었습니다. 다음날 새로운 사건을 위해 모인 학생들.
Is whether I can tell if my clients are innocent or guilty. And my answer is always the same. I don't care. Heir to her family's billion-dollar department store fortune. Until she was stabbed 16 times in the master bedroom of her Gladwin mansion.
이번 사건의 용의자는 바로
Max St. Vincent.
억만장자인 그녀의 남편이었습니다. 살해 용의자인 맥스를 변론해야 하는 학생들.
I asked Max to preserve the crime scene until after the trial was over. You never know what forensic clues you'll find to help our case later.
The room needed some color anyway. You gonna throw up?
No. I'm good.
승소를 위해 꼼꼼하게 범죄 현장을 살펴본과 동시에
On the bed. The forensic report claims that.
과학수사팀이 주장하는 범행 방식을 시연하는 맥스.
And just as we were about to kiss, it struck. But missed, hitting the carotid artery, which was now squirting like a loose fire hose, hence the walls. So then I struck again, number 2, hit here, followed by number 3, here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
가짜인 걸 알면서도 그대로 전해지는 공포.
So that's the prosecution's theory.
Theory?
하지만 누가 봐도
Good luck proving that. Eh?
범인은 맥스였습니다.
Go through it. Find the holes that will help get our guy and not guilty.
또다시 시작된 트로피를 건 경쟁. 그런데
Mr. Gibbons, my office now.
What do we think's going on there?
What do you mean?
We all earned our spot here, right? Wait list?
Don't call him that.
Maybe he's her secret baby, like she gave him up for adoption and he doesn't even know.
친구들은 그가 왜 특혜를 받는 것인지 납득할 수가 없었고
Are you regretting your decision to join us?
웨스가 불안해하자
No. I'm happy to be here.
Good. Let's give you more responsibility then.
그만을 위한 특혜를 주는데
Hey, is Professor Keating in?
그리고 다음날
No suspects have been announced, but we do know police spent the morning interviewing her boyfriend, Griffin O'Reilly, a star of the Middleton football team. Miss Dan Gardner.
옆집에 살고 있는 레베카의 남자친구가 여대생 살인 사건과 관련이 있음을 알게 되었죠.
Mr. Gibbons, did you do what I asked?
애널리스의 특혜 아닌 특혜로
Did you look inside?
I did. But I actually found a discrepancy between what the supplemental report says versus what's in the prosecution's murder book.
What kind of discrepancy?
A name.
증거인 사냥칼을 발견한 사람이
Dorsey, Jake Dorsey.
Really? So you're not Officer Chad Mullins?
다른 사람이라는 것을 알아낸 웨스.
Which says that Officer Mullins found the hunting knife, not our witness here. Or am I misreading the name, Officer Dorsey?
No. Says Officer Mullins.
An officer who I recently found out is under investigation for drinking on the job.
1단계 증인을 무력화시켜라를 성공하며 웨스는 트로피에 한 발 앞서게 됩니다.
Your Honor, can we take a recess?
하지만 이대로 당하고만 있을 리가 없는 다른 학생들.
And the faster you type, the faster you get your reward.
고너는 남친을 이용해 맥스를 살인범으로 지목한 피해자의 절친의 이메일을 해킹해내었죠.
You claim that your best friend Marjorie spoke to you about divorcing Max nearly a year ago?
Yes.
그녀가 얼마 전 썼던 축사를 통해
I haven't seen two people more in love since the captain and Maria performed their first dance in front of the Von Trapp children.
그녀가 거짓 증언을 하고 있다는 것을 밝혀내고 맙니다.
Doesn't sound like a couple about to divorce to me.
How in the hell do you find this crap?
We'll never know.
트로피에서 점차 멀어지자 나머지 학생들은
Get in there, find us a winner.
수단과 방법을 가리지 않고 추격에 나섭니다.
I love my father, obviously, but I also loved Marjorie. If my father hurt her, I'd insist you give him the death penalty.
이제 그녀의 딸의 증언만 더해진다면 이번에도 애널리스의 승리.
His parents died when he was a child. His first wife, my birth mother, died in a car accident when I was 3. That changes you. Makes you scared of losing people. It's why he clung to Marjorie and me. We were his entire world. Which is how I know there's no way he could have hurt her. I get that's hard to believe coming from me, but it's the truth.
You're a witness.
하지만 허를 찌르는 검찰 측의 반격이 시작되는데
Your father met Marjorie after your first mother died in Switzerland, is that correct?
Yes.
What if I told you that was a lie? That your father and Marjorie were having an affair?
No, my mother died before they met.
In a car accident. Or at least that's what your father told you.
Your Honor, if the prosecutor wants to testify, swear her in.
그리고 검찰 측이 제시한 어머니의 사망 진단 서에는
Elizabeth Sims died at age 28 from a deeply incised wound of the upper neck in the manner of homicide.
아우지의 말들이 모두 거짓이었다는 것과 함께
And the murder weapon?
A hunting knife.
이번 사건과 범행 도구가 같다는 것이 밝혀졌습니다. 그 말인즉 맥스가 범인이란 이야기.
Trying to protect you.
They're lying to me about my entire life.
How do you tell a young girl her mother's been butchered to death? What good would that do?
Because you did it, right? And now Marjorie too?
Don't be ridiculous.
You killed the both of them. You're a murderer and a liar. Do not come near me.
가장 사랑하는 사람의 거짓말은
I hope the jury decides to kill you.
영혼을 부수기에 충분했습니다.
Kind of agree with her, yo.
Hello, Stuart.
다 이긴 재판을 치게 생긴 애널리스.
So would you have taken my case had I told you?
You underestimate how much I like a challenge. You lie to me again, you no longer have an attorney.
하지만 남 탓을 해봐야 현실은 달라지지 않았기에
Find out how the prosecution knew about Max's first trial. Whoever slipped the information could be a possible suspect. And the rest of you, prove I wasn't wrong to hire you.
모두가 발바닥에 불나게 뛰어다녀야 했습니다.
How'd court go?
그리고 그날 밤
My client's a liar.
더 이상 거짓말 때문에 고통받고 싶지 않았던 애널리스는
Is there something you want to ask me?
Were you screwing her?
No.
You sure about that?
I said no. Absolutely not.
Do your work.
체면 따위는 생각하지 않은 채 남편이 죽은 여대생과 내연 관계였는지 캐묻는데
That my wife thinks that I slept with one of my students?
Well, she is pretty. Sorry, was.
Oh, God, listen to yourself. You're acting crazy.
Well, shouldn't I be? It's happened before.
바람이 처음이 아니었던 샘.
Come here. There was nothing going on with me and that girl. I swear to God.
법정에선 감정을 완전히 컨트롤하는 프로 중의 프로.
I'm sorry.
하지만 그녀 역시 사람. 아니 여자였습니다.
It's just this case, this client. I'm gonna lose.
You say that every time.
증거도 없이 남편을 의심한 것이 미안해진 애널리스.
Come in.
You need to see this.
그렇게 멘탈을 다시 잡은 그녀는
There's only one way to win this case.
싸움을 이어가는데
We proved that Max, even if he did kill his first wife, didn't kill Marjorie. Use this room, look for clues that we miss, evidence that contradicts, just get inside the murderer's head.
그렇게 다시 한번 원점으로 돌아가
We can swipe the room for DNA again and see if we can find another suspect.
We already ran more tests. Did you not fully read up on the case?
학생들은 변론을 다시 준비하기 시작했고
Sleepwalking defense.
Battered husband syndrome.
Bipolar mood swings.
He's a hunter.
MSG massacre defense.
He's a hunter.
Yeah, genius. I think the heads on the wall make that pretty obvious.
No,
그리고 로럴은
he's a hunter. He knows how to kill.
이 재판에서 이길 수 있는 방법을 알아내고 맙니다.
You've been hunting for approximately how many years, Mr. St. Vincent?
Oh, practically my whole life.
So you're experienced at slaughtering animals then?
Yes, it's one of the first things my father taught me, how to be humane, to minimize suffering.
And there are ways to ensure that?
Oh, yes, I could show you right now, if you like.
Please.
그 누구보다 죽이는 방법을 잘 알고 있었던 맥스.
Once the knife is by the jugular, you slice in one swift motion. And then, well, it just becomes about waiting for the stillness,
그 말인즉
which happens quite fast if you've done it correctly.
그가 죽인 사람은 바로
Is that how you murdered your first wife?
Yes, that's correct.
두 번째 부인이 아닌 첫 번째 부인이었고 16번이나 찔러 두 번째 아내를 죽인 건
I think I know who the second murderer was. Eloise.
아빠가 엄마를 죽인 것을 알고 복수를 한 엘로이즈였습니다.
So maybe she found out the truth before we did, that Max killed her mother, then stabbed Marjorie to frame him.
Interesting theory.
You need to see this.
하지만 이 역시 이미 알고 있었던 애널리스.
Please.
She spent spring break visiting her mom's hometown in Switzerland, dug up the real story how she died, started plotting her revenge.
Like father, like daughter.
하지만 그건 애널리스가 신경 쓸 사안이 아니었고
We've rested our case, Mr. Gibbons. Now we wait for the verdict. Laurel. Speak up more. I like your ideas. I'd watch out for Mr. Gibbons and Miss Castillo here. Quiet ones are usually the most dangerous.
이번 트로피의 주인공은 로럴이 되었죠.
Not guilty.
패배 따위는 모르는 여자 애널리스. 그리고 그날 밤
What's this all about?
We are celebrating your win, which, let me just say,
You predicted, I know.
쌤이 준비한 만찬을 즐기며 그녀는 평화를 되찾은 듯 싶었습니다.
I'm gonna head to the cellar and get us a bottle. Don't move.
하지만 의심은 바닷물과 같은 것. 호기심을 참을 수 없었던 그녀는
Annie, everything okay?
쌤의 거짓말을 알아내고 마는데
Where you going?
I have a client who just called me from jail. I'll be home as soon as I can.
그리고 그녀가 향한 곳은 바로
He is inside.
I just admit it.
No.
It's about the Lila Stangardt murder.
그녀의 애인이었던 네이트였습니다.
It's not my case. I told you, I'm on probation.
No. But Sam knew her. She was a student. They were close. They were close.
그녀 때문에 커리어가 무너진 네이트는
Go home.
다시는 그녀를 보고 싶지 않았지만
I'm gonna say it again.
Nate! He was supposed to be at Yale the night she was killed. And I need for you to tell me that he was there, that his alibi checks out. It's the only way to stop my mind, all right? To know for sure that he didn't have anything to do with this. Please, Nate, all right? I don't know who else to go to. I wish it was someone else, but it's you. I need you.
그녀는 진실을 알기 위해 네이트에게 간청했습니다.
Okay. Okay.
그리고 같은 시간
Get off! Don't touch me! Get it off of me! You're hurting me! Stop it!
One will be appointed to you at no charge.
Let go! Let go! Let go of me!
레베카가 체포되고 마는데
Rebecca! Don't say anything!
그리고 다시 3개월 뒤
Room 203, please.
It's all her fault. It's not her fault.
Wes wouldn't do that.
He wouldn't, but she would.
We're gonna protect you.
이 살인에 가담한 사람이 한 명 더 있었으니 그건 바로 레베카였습니다.
Don't you ever leave me like that again.
I won't. I'm here now.
대체 어쩌다 이들은 살인을 저지른 것일까요? 와, 이거 시간 꼭 있을 때 보세요. 그냥 몇 시간 순삭될 수 있습니다. 이 작품은 단순히 재밌는 수준이 아니라 한번 빠지면 멈출 수 없는 미친 중독성을 갖고 있죠. 평범한 로스쿨 학생들의 성장 과정을 그리고 있는 것처럼 보이지만 이들은 성공한 삶이 아닌 실패한 인생, 그것도 강력 범죄자가 되죠. 대체 왜 엘리트 학생들이 살인을 저지른 것인지, 누가 그 살인을 주도한 것인지, 왜 애널리스의 남편인 샘이어야 했는지, 아직은 모든 게 수수께끼지만 이야기가 전개될수록 반전에 반전이 더해지며 소름을 돋게 만듭니다. 한번 보면 결말이 너무 궁금하기 때문에 꼭 여유 있는 날 보시길 추천드립니다. 배우들의 연기 역시 몰입도를 더하는데요. 영화 엘프에서 불쌍한 가정부를 연기한 모습이 기억이 안 날 정도로 비올라 데이비스는 신들린 연기를 펼쳐 보였죠. 특히 4화에서 단단히 두르고 있던 갑옷과 같은 화장을 지워내며 서서히 무너져 내리는 연기가 압권이니까요. 꼭 보시길 추천드립니다. 해리포터에서 딘 토마스를 연기했던 알프레도 에녹 역시 지금은 좀 답답하지만 극이 진행될수록 존재감을 드러내며 주인공으로 성장합니다. 주전을 가릴 것 없이 빈틈없는 연기가 이어지고 인물 하나하나가 매력적이라 인물들 간의 서사가 궁금해지죠. 서로를 꺾어야 했던 경쟁자에서 살인으로 동지가 되는 새로운 범죄 스릴러, 범죄의 재구성은 지금 바로 디즈니 플러스에서 시청할 수 있습니다. 전 그럼 다음 영상에서 더 재밌는 영화나 드라마를 픽해서 추천해드리도록 하겠습니다. 오늘의 영상이 재밌었다면 구독, 알림 설정, 좋아요를 꾹 눌러주세요. 지금까지 픽추였습니다.